Bogo, you can hang out with me to hang out with me, okay? But if you're here for, are you just here for the food, Bogo? You fake, boy. Why you fake? You don't want to be friends, do you? You just want food. I knew you was always fake, Bogo.
Just don't say anything about the cigarette smell. Oh God! It smells like it does not smell that.
It smells pretty bad. Wait till you get in. Here.
By the way, what year is this?
O2. Yeah, he's gonna.
What is that?
This is O2 Silver.
I'm getting your tag number. Yep, you can carry a lot of kids in there. Parker, would you mind explaining yourself?
Cigarette smell? What cigarette smell? What is this?
I have no clue. We were trying to ask forever. But...
Well, he's not going to explain it to you.
Yeah, what do you want me to explain?
This is exactly.
Oh, you know, how the weather is. Tell him what this is.
This is a 2002
Parker,
Chevy
I swear,
Silverado.
this is his new car because a deer wrecked his other one. I didn't know deer could drive until it happened. Well, Parker, a quarter of this back seat feels great, and that's all the review I'm going to give. I can't.
This is nice.
Oh.
My friend has the exact same truck, except like this just feels newer.
Just wax it over. Just do it for the
Well, it drives.
Do what?
Well, it drives.
Yeah.
Now, does it goose, Parker? It does goose.
Thank you. Alright guys, it is night right now. I spent the day pretty much relaxing for most of the day. Wrapped a present, as you saw. Y'all got to see Parker's new car, which is awesome. And I am actually heading back to Troy right now. Reason being is because I have to move out, so I'll do that. And then I want to finish up the card game that I made. I want to finish up reformatting that before Christmas, before we head out of town and stuff like that. I just want to get that completely done with. So, moving out shouldn't be that big of a problem. And I should be able to get most of the stuff together tonight and probably get it all done tomorrow. But then reformatting the card game, I don't know how long that's going to take. I don't even know if I'll have to stay an extra night, but I'll be staying tonight just to have tomorrow to get everything done. But anyway, those are the plans for now, and I'm totally, if you feel bad for me, don't, because I'm totally happy to be doing this right now, because it means I get to get all of this stuff out of the way before Christmas. So those are the plans for tonight, and if anything else happens, I will let you know. Made it back, guys. This is where I used to go to school. I used to live right there. Number 23. I used to live right there. Let's move out. Alright guys, it is actually the day after. I just didn't close the vlog out, but anyway, I got a lot of the closet done and cleared out. I've also got a lot of stuff out there, just kind of pulled together. Oh, I got a lot done, but I've got a long way to go. But anyway, I'll get it done. So, thank you guys for watching, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.